The biggest present? Max, are you opening same time?
No.
We will open
I
one
can't
from.
find mine.
That's the gold one.
This one?
Oh, what is it, Theo?
Playmobil. Yeah, it's Pirate's Playmobil.
No way.
Yeah, look. Look at the picture.
Oh. Wow.
What is it? It's Pirate's Playmobil. Let me see. So, I was just...
Wow.
Now
Can you, what, Leo? Say thank you to Pressy and Tony. Here, into the camera.
Thank you, Prissy and Tony.
Do you love it?
Yeah. Mama, me too.
Okay. Let's see.
Skylanders Giants.
No.
Yes.
What is?
And you can get Skylanders Giants. Dad, why did you get that? Awesome. One, two, I want to do this. One, I want to. Thank you, Tony and Pressy.
One again.
Thank you, Tony and Pressy.
Do you love it?
Yes.
Daddy, see what it is?
The Skylanders Giants, a game.
For Wii?